Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You've already picked the Google Sheet. Now open it and confirm you have edit or owner rights so you can change sharing settings. Once done, click the blue Share button at the top right to launch the dialog. Make sure to choose whether you'll send a direct invite to emails or generate a link. The choice affects access control. Because links can be forwarded, decide between viewer, commenter, or editor permissions now to match how much control recipients should have. You'll now add recipients and define access. Type emails into the Add People and Groups field, use commas for multiple addresses, and pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor from the drop-down so you limit edits. Once chosen, decide whether to notify people, check the box to send a message, and include context in the Note field. If you prefer tighter control, click the gear icon to restrict editors from changing permissions or downloading. Finally, send the invites or copy the sharing link and paste it into your own email if you need a tailored message. Make sure link visibility matches intent, restricted keeps control tight, anyone with link increases accessibility, and organization only keeps sharing internal. After sending, verify recipients can open the sheet. If they can't, revoke the link and reissue with corrected permissions, or ask them to check spam and Google account sign-in. This resolves most common access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.